Hi guys, I'm Elefteria, and in this video we'll see some lymphatic drainage techniques for the face. So let's go for it. So let's start our lymphatic drainage for the face. The first thing I have to do is to drain the terminus. Then I will drain the lymphatic chains on the neck. And then I'm going to drain the submandibular lymph nodes. Now I'll start working on the lower lymphatome on the face. Walk around the lips. And on 3 spots on the nose. This technique is very good for sinusitis. That's the second spot. And the third spot. At the base of the nose. So now I'm going to work on the upper lymphatome. First I'm going to work on the masseter muscle. And then around the eyes. Stretch the skin very gently. And now I'm going to work on the eyebrows. Next position. And here's a technique I like to call the fork. Now I'm going to do a gentle stretch, always with the lymphatic drainage technique on the forehead. That's a really nice technique for headaches. And I'll also release the crown of the head. Now I'm going to drain the lymphatic chains of the neck again. And at the end, I'm going to do pumping again on the terminus. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See more at my website jointheflow.net.